Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the DJI Mic Mini. Now this one also has the receiver in the box. I've removed the outer packaging just to make it a bit quicker. So I'll have a look and see what you get when you get a DJI Mic Mini with the receiver. So firstly there, as you can see, there's a manual. See what's in here, looks like there's something else. So there's the manual there. And these look like they would be some stickers and another information booklet. So next we have, this looks like a bag or a container. Let's have a look. So to see, yep, so it seems like everything's packed and contained in the bag when it gets shipped out. Just another information booklet tied to the bag. So in the bag we have, there we go. So in this small one, there's a little dead cat, as they like to call it, which stops the wind sounds when you're making videos or recording something. There's two in there, it looks like. Yeah, one black, one grey. Maybe to colorize with your shirt so it can blend in a bit more. This one looks like some cables. So we have a AUX or AUX to AUX. Then we have USB-C to USB-C, but this looks like, there we go. So it's USB-A and then a double-ended USB-C. So one USB-C there, one USB-C there. We have, this looks like a little adapter piece. I'll just take it out of the packaging, see exactly what it is. There we go. So this one is USB-C to, maybe this is for a camera mount potentially. Whole lot of different small hiding places there. So this looks like the microphone. So there we go, that's the Mic Mini. Move some of these packages out of the way. Now I did notice just then that the Mic Mini does have a magnetic sort of attachment. So this will help connect to your shirt, or you've got the standard clip style. Just depends how you want to attach it, but this battery just stores on the back. Next, in this packaging, this looks like, I'm going to guess this is the dock for the Mic Mini, so that will just connect on like that. Magnetic to the dock, so dock won't fall away, and I guess one of these USB-Cs will plug into there to charge it up. And this part here must be the receiver. So that's the last thing I can see in this. Okay, oh, actually there's something else. Oh no, it's just a absorbent packet. So that's the last thing from the bag. So let's see what this little receiver looks like. There you go, so that's the receiver. No screens or anything on the front. It does have this little adjuster wheel here. Makes a nice click noise. I did notice that this part comes away, so that might be where this adapter goes. So I'm going to guess this is for, there we go. That must be for connecting it to a phone or laptop with USB-C if you want to make some adjustments or changes, because I have heard that this is Bluetooth, so that may connect to a couple devices. But for ones that aren't compatible, you've got this USB-C attachment here. So let's have a look at the size of the receiver compared to the transmitter. So that's the size difference there. I'll just see if I've got some sort of coin that we can sort of use as a comparison. Fortunately, I only have some Australian money here, so it might give you a little bit of indication. $2 coin, 20-cent coin. So as you can see, these ones are quite small, these Mic Minis. And the dock is also of a good size. I do have a USB here, so if we compare it to the size of probably a standard size USB, that's what it looks like. So that's the quick unboxing and rundown of the DJI Mic Mini, and hopefully that has helped out today.